The built-in waiver functionality on TripWorks is meant to streamline your business and keep all of your operations in one place. Looking here, it's super easy to add your waiver into the platform. Simply copy and paste the data into the waiver body field under the waiver editor. You can add additional fields like required checkboxes, additional text fields, and so on. You can also choose different passenger fields that you'd like to show during the signing process. Things like email, address, and so on. Just simply check or uncheck the information that you'd like to collect. Signing the waiver for your customers is super easy. Once their trip is booked, they'll receive a confirmation email with a button that says Sign My Waiver. All they have to do is click that button, and this will redirect them to the customer portal. They'll then see a button at the top, as well as an option on each individual ticket where they can sign their waiver. They can then select the button, select adult or minor, and continue with signing the waiver. Once the customer has filled out all of the waiver fields, they can scroll down to the bottom and then provide their signature. They'll also select the electronic consent and then agree to the document. They'll then be presented with a thank you page confirming that they've signed their waiver. Managing who has and who has not signed the waiver is super easy. Switching over to the manifest view, you'll see a column for waiver status. It'll tell you which ones are unsigned, as well as which ones are signed. If you select the status, you do have the option as well for those who have not signed their waiver to send them a reminder, pull up a QR code, or send the waiver to another device so that they complete signing. If you do choose to have a waiver option available for on-sites or walk-ins, you will have a generic link as well, where you can simply list your waiver and have it displayed on a tablet or other device so your customer can come up and complete the waiver signing process in person. Lastly, you can manage and review all signed waivers inside your account under your waivers portal. This will show you all of the previously signed waivers, birth dates, customer names, age, and phone number. We do also have a separate waiver report, which we'll get into in one of the next videos. Thank you.